For over 15 years, we have provided the largest selection of USA-made ADA-compliant portable restroom and shower trailers for both sales and rentals. We are the experts at meeting your state ADA requirements and voted #1 in the portable restroom shower trailers industry. You need a trustworthy company that you can depend on 100% of the time. Portable Restroom Trailers has assisted thousands of companies with 5-star verified support. We help you maximize your investment and ensure your trailer will last. Join the ranks of hundreds of municipalities and corporations from coast to coast and work with a company that puts your needs first. We specialize in large and extra-large ADA-compliant units like this one. You deserve to have all the information and resources you need before you make a decision. We provide video tutorials, manuals, a buyback policy, special financing, and one-on-one support. And we offer multiple choices at different price points to buy and rent, so we can guide you to the best solution. Getting started is easy. First, request a quote. Then we'll have a meaningful conversation and find the right trailer for your needs. Click the button below to request a quote or call us today. Top quality, transparent pricing, trusted support. Portable Restroom Trailers.